Hey y'all, it's your girl Joyce A, and we just got this new wig, Cypher. We're gonna see if she's cute. She is straight 28 inches. True to everything with the density. A band for the back, a wig band. Not gonna lie, like the hair isn't bad. Cap was a little smaller. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm very much beginner. The hair is not bad. It's soft. I just feel like the flyaways is something that's taking me out. True to length, 28 inches. The density, it could be a little bit better. Color is cute. Lace was something hard to bleach as well, but I tried. Give this wig review a 7.5 out of 10. See ya.